Today we're going to explore the fascinating journey of yogurt production, from fresh milk at the dairy farm to the creamy, delicious yogurt enjoyed around the world.
Stage 1.
Fresh milk is carefully collected on the farm and swiftly transported under refrigeration to the dairy plant, where its journey to becoming wholesome yogurt begins.
Stage 2.
After the milk is delivered to the dairy plant, it is swiftly cooled to 4 degrees Celsius in a plate heat exchanger.
Stage 3.
The cooled milk now undergoes careful pasteurization, ensuring safety and preserving quality as it prepares for. After pasteurization, the milk temperature is carefully reduced to the ideal inoculation temperature.
Stage 4.
Once the milk reaches the perfect temperature, carefully selected starter cultures are added to begin the fermentation process and create high-quality yogurt. After adding the starter cultures, the milk is carefully incubated and fermented under controlled conditions. Yogurt starter cultures, including Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus, are carefully added to the milk to begin. After fermentation reaches the desired acidity and texture, the yogurt is rapidly cooled to stop bacterial activity.
Stage 5.
If we want fruit-flavored yogurt, carefully selected fruit syrups are added after fermentation blending with the yogurt. After production, yogurt is carefully packaged and stored under controlled cold chain conditions, preserving its freshness, quality, and safety until it reaches consumers. After final production, yogurt undergoes strict, standard, and microbiological tests to verify safety, quality, and compliance before reaching consumers. Not every yogurt on the market is exactly what it claims to be. Hidden qualities and fraudulent practices can exist. Yogurt fraud can occur in different forms, from starch and water addition to fat substitution, and undeclared additives.
Nowadays, there are different types of adulteration in yogurt, and we try to introduce simple, home methods for detection. One of these adulterations is adding starch to create a thicker texture. The detection method is adding iodine. The appearance of a purple indicates the presence of starch. Another type of adulteration is using low-quality milk, containing added water for yogurt production. In fruit and flavored yogurts, artificial colors may be used. Signs of this include an extremely strong, fruity smell and an unnatural, very bright color. Another yogurt fraud is replacing milk fat to cut costs. A greasy taste and a thin surface fat layer may be warning signs. Another form of yogurt adulteration is the undisclosed use of gelatin or plant proteins such as soy or pea. Poor microbiological quality cannot be seen. Only laboratory testing can confirm milk safety and authenticity. Another yogurt fraud is using poor quality milk, including aged, diluted, or below standard milk, to reduce production costs. This was a brief guide to yogurt production and common frauds in our next videos. We'll explore more food industry products.